Hi cocktail lovers, Dan Hoffman, and I'm back for Monday Rules Don't Apply. So in my last video, I showed you how to make a delicious apple cider simple syrup. And now we're going to use that to make a cocktail. So once the syrup is done, this cocktail is super easy. So of course, we're going to measure because we want a well-balanced cocktail, a great tasting cocktail. So it's an ounce of that apple cider simple syrup, an ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of tequila. Now I'm using this Reposado because that's all I have in the house right now. Silver tequila is fine. Add ice, shake it up. There we go. Now, I like to serve this in a wine glass and garnish with an orange. And there you go. Call it the autumn apple, but I've got some people like Phil who enjoy this all year round, so feel free.